Hey, it's Stephanie with the Stephanie O Show, and we're here at Mia Posto in Hicksville. And I'm here with our local Long Island champion, Chris Algieri. And what a champion he is. I mean, you could tell by some of these war scars, it looks like he was in quite the battle. So what went on at the Paramount?
We had my 18th pro fight this past Saturday at the Huntington Paramount.
I'm going to join you.
Please do. It was a tough fight. Guy from Nicaragua came to fight, but you know, we ended up knocking him out in the 7th round. Good fight. Guy was tough. Came to fight, but like I said, we you know, we were able to figure him out pretty early and get the knockout win.
That's great, and I know this was your 18th win. And let's tell a little bit about what an interesting guy you are. This is a very, very educated guy. But as I always say, you know, boxing requires smarts. There's no question about it. It looks very simple. Put those gloves on and have somebody swinging at you. You run out of breath real fast, and you got to really be thinking on your toes. Isn't that the truth?
Absolutely. Like Stephanie said, it really is a thinking man's sport. You got to be thinking steps ahead. I always say boxing is like the fastest chess game in the world. You got to be thinking ahead, ready for the next move, and being able to tell what your opponent's going to do and beat him to it.
Well, also to your credit, you are also planning on a medical career.
Yes, I have my undergraduate degree from Stony Brook University in healthcare medicine and healthcare science, and I studied at New York Tech, got my master's degree. Now I'm studying for my MCAT, getting ready to take that and apply to medical school and go on from there.
Are you going to be in sports medicine?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see in my rotations where I end up. But you know, from what I understand, a lot of physicians who go through their rotations figure out what they really want to do in the future. So I'll leave it open-ended.
All right. So you can't keep this career up because you can only take so many blows to the head, and then, you know, some of those brain cells, shoo, go flying out. So we got to get into medical school real soon.
Exactly. I got to win my title and get to move into the next step of my career.
All right. I hear you. So make those big bucks so you can pay all those school bills, and off you go.
Absolutely. Yep.
All right. Good luck to you. Take care, Chris. Stephanie with the Stephanie O Show.